Do you know how to create custom formats in Google Sheets? If no, watch this video till the end and I'll share with you. Hi, my name is Danila and let's begin. Here I have prepared 3 exercises in order to teach you how to use and how to create custom formats in Google Sheets. The first task is to hide the rows. We have the following values: 0, -10, -2, 6, 7, 4, 0, -7, and 7. And the task is to make such a custom format so that zeros will be hidden. In order to do this, we need to choose to select the whole row. So then we go to formats, then we go to number, and in the bottom we have custom number formats. Here we need to write our custom number formats, and it will be the following. So it will be 0, semicolon, 0, semicolon, semicolon, at. Yes. And then we apply, and we see that all zeros had been hidden. So let's look again what we have done, and I'll explain for you. So first 0 is for positive numbers, then the second 0 is for negative numbers, then we have empty space there, since there we need to show how our zeros is going to look like. So if we have empty space there, it means that our zeros will be hidden, and at the end means that the text will stay the same. So I also have to say that this formula works for all custom formats. So at first we have positive number, then negative, then 0, and then the text. And the second exercise is to show positive numbers with pluses. There we also need to create a custom formats. So we choose the whole row, then we go to formats, number, and at the bottom again we choose custom number formats, and there we write our custom formats. So assign the positive values, it will be +0, semicolon, 0, so negative are the same, and zeros also the same, and we apply, and here it is, our positive numbers are shown with pluses, and I think that negative values became without our signs. I think we can also fix this. Let's do this again. Custom number formats, we can add minus there, and it will be like this. Nothing difficult. And now let's move to the last exercise. Here let's put our text in quotes. For this we need to again select the whole row, then we go to formats, number, and add custom number formats. So at first we would like to have the same text. We put the at symbol, then we put this special quotation mark, and then we put this quotation mark and apply, and here it is. Our texts have these quotation marks. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.